Once you're confident with the basics of Autocue software, there are many extra functions you can explore. Hi, I'm Matt, and in this video we'll discover Scrapbooks and Cloaks as we explore the right-click menu in the story editor. Ready? Cue titles. By now you know how to create, prompt, and edit a script in Autocue Explorer. If you still need some help, go back and watch our Getting Started and Editing videos before you continue. You'll find links in the description below. Now let's open up a script I made earlier, and we can see what you can do when you right-click in the Story Editor pane. Let's right-click within the Story Editor pane to open the menu of functions. Besides the standard cut, copy and paste, there's an option to copy and paste from Scrapbook. Now this is useful to store phrases or words that are frequently inserted into the script. For example, let's take the phrase turn to camera 1 and select copy to Scrapbook. A Scrapbook window opens with 10 text lines. Click on one of the empty lines to store the highlighted text with its formatting. Whenever you need to add your stored text to the script, right-click, select Paste from Scrapbook, click the text you need, and it will be inserted. Next in the menu, you'll see the option to insert or delete story. Now this will only be usable when the cursor is on a slug line. If you select Insert Story, you'll be asked to add a story number to create a new slug line. If you select Delete, you'll find a warning to confirm your action, which should prevent any misclick mistakes. The next right-click function is Delete Line. Now this does what it says on the tin, but it's worth noting that you delete the full line of text as seen in the editor pane, which may be different to the line on the prompt output. Now because this is a quick action to speed up operation, there isn't a warning. So if you make a mistake, use the Undo button in the main toolbar. If you want to hide a section of the story text from the presenter, highlight it, right-click and then select Cloak. The text will highlight in the story editor and be removed from the prompt output. If you want it back, you can right-click on the highlighted text and select Uncloak. The right-click menu also gives you the option to convert text. If you're in the main body of the script, you'll see Convert to Slug Line available. Or, if your cursor is on a slug line, you'll see Convert to Story Text as the option. Now, a warning appears if you select to convert to a slug line to story text. Remember, when you do this, you'll lose a story in the run order, as well as add your story title into the script. So double check that you're sure first. The select function makes it easy to highlight groups of text for formatting. Perhaps you want to increase the font size on a story for a different presenter, or quickly change the background of your slug lines. The select function is a quick way to highlight larger groups of text. Choose to select a story, slug lines, or the whole script without slug lines, and make your edits super quick. You should be familiar with toggling bookmarks from the Editing with Autocue software video, and settings are covered in the Customize Your Settings video. Links to the videos are in the description below. By understanding the right-click menu options in the story editor, you've taken your prompting knowledge to the next level. And we don't want to stop it there either. Check out our other videos to learn more about shortcuts, settings, and much more. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay on cue.